You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this country correctly. I said correctly. If you want to learn how to say the name of the capital city or other country names, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you locally. They're in Pakistan, and we'll get back to how it's pronounced in English. It's pronounced as Pakistan. 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 Alright, now, in English, it's not pronounced Pakistan. It's usually pronounced as Pakistan. Pakistan. English pronunciation, Pakistan. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.